find Capitec app bank statement. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to find your Capitec bank statement. So for that, just open your Capitec mobile application, and after that just sign into your account. Just select the account and then click on get started. And now just enter your account number and enter your PIN and verify your identity and start using the app. So just click on continue, and here just enter your account number. So if you have more than one account with the financial institution, just choose the account and then just tap the three dot icon from the top right side of your device and then click on the statement option. Just choose the period or the date range for your statement. For example, if you have wondering how to get a 3-month bank account statement from the Capitec app, enter the date from the last 3 months, then your account statement will be portrayed on your screen, and then just click on sign into your account and then just access the information. You can also update your personal information by choosing the menu at the top right at the top of your home screen and enter your profile password and view, update or edit any of your details. And once you are done selecting the date of the months or the time period you want to receive the bank statement, just enter your email address to which you want to send the bank statement and just click on send. This way you will be able to find your Capitec bank statement. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.